Earlier this year, the storms were relentless. The wind roared through Dawlish, the brook swelled, water rushed where it normally trickles, and for a while, it felt like everything was being tested, including our Black Swans. Burt and Kimber lost their previous nest when the storms tore through. The eggs were washed away. It was hard to watch. Nature can be beautiful, but it also can be unforgiving. Before this, their 2 cygnets were washed away by another storm. And yet, here we are. A new nest. Carefully built. Slightly higher, slightly safer. Thought through. If you watch closely in this video, you'll notice something. They rarely stray far from the eggs, even when they're rearranging the nest. Even when they're swapping places, one of them stays close, always within reach. It's as though they remember. There is a moment here where Kimber is clearly trying to encourage Bertie off the nest. She nudges, she waits, she circles. He is reluctant, almost stubborn, but it's not laziness. It feels protective. Eventually he does move, slowly, carefully. Kimber steps in almost immediately. The transition is seamless. There's no rush, no chaos, just quiet coordination. They're not taking chances this time, and can you blame them? You can barely glimpse the eggs through the feathers and reeds. They keep them well covered, shielded from the wind, shielded from curious eyes, shielded from anything that might threaten them. After what happened before, they seem to be more vigilant, more deliberate. Storms test everything, seawalls, nests, people and our swans. But what defines life here in Dawlish is not the storm itself, it's what happens after. We rebuild, we adjust, and we try again. Bert and Kimber have done exactly that. They have chosen a new position. They have reinforced the structure. They remain close, watchful, united. And if you pause right at the end, when Bert finally shifts and Kimber settles back down, you can just about count them. 8 eggs, 8 chances, 8 small reminders that resilience is not loud, it is quiet, it is patient, it is persistent. And here on the brook, just like alongside our coastline, life always finds a way to begin again. Thanks for watching.